by myself, by the way. Like, I customized it, ventilated it into this beautiful frontal wig, and I just feel like I should just like do an installation video, because I haven't done this on this channel in a while. Like, so yeah, I ventilated it from scratch, and I'm going to do a video so you guys can see. So if you want to watch how I saw this wig, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm using my echo gel to lay my edges flat down. Then doing the bud garment. I didn't really show how I did the bud garment, but yeah. And this is it after the bud cap. And I'm using my hair by any glue. Guys, I know I was supposed to put a little layer of the glue on my bud cap, but I don't know what I was doing. I know what I was doing, but I don't know. I just messed everything up. But it came out nice at the end, so thank God for that. And I'm going to be using the Got to Be to spray on the wig lace and on my bud cap already too. Then I'm going to lay the hair, and the rest is just basic install. So I'll just leave you guys to watch it, because I don't want to talk too much. And yeah. Guys, if you've not subscribed up to this point, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button down below. You can share to your friends to come and see more of my videos. Support me also by liking. Yeah, thank you guys so much for those who have subscribed. To those who have reached this point, thank you for tuning in. Yeah. I'm showing you guys how to get the lace to be like your skin tone. So I'm using the almost darkest shade of this powder palette, and I'm using my finger. I'm just going to take my finger, fetch the powder a little bit, then apply it to the lace. So as you can see, there's a huge difference from the part I've done and the part I didn't do, and this is it. It's matching my lace pretty well. not forget to subscribe. It's free. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like this video. Please share to your friends. And yeah, whatever you want to comment, just comment down below, and I'll make sure I follow it up. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for supporting me once again, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Bye.